Oh.
Thank you, Tiny.
It's a hello. What's that?
A makeup.
Cool. What is that called? The Hello Stinky?
No.
Oh.
No, Uncle Randy.
Only if Tiny gets it.
No.
Look. It's a sticker book and another sticker book in a bag. Cool. Bag.
Kitty bag.
Hey. Oh, looks like there's crazy.
I was got boogie.
You got boogies in your
Oh,
nose?
gross.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I got it.
Did you get out? Okay.
Give it to Grandma.
Get a clean
Who's
up.
that from?
I don't know. I don't know.
Was that one from Janine? Mom, what are you doing?
I'm taking
Certainly.
a video.
Is someone watching?
Yes,
What, whose present is she opening?
that's Aunt Janine
Show me Janine and Uncle
Horsey.
Oh.
and Uncle Kirby. Yep.
That looks like Diablo.
You can push a button and it'll do its thing.
Happy birthday to me. Which button? Oh, it walks. Oh, cute. It walks.
Cool, huh? That's one for Remy.
And who's that one from?
That's Aunt Janine again. And Uncle Kirby and
No.
the rest of the herd.
I got another one.
Sarah. Hey, those are Remy's.
They're both. I got two.
Oh, I like the white one.
Right.
My son's gonna open it. One, grab me. No, you're not.
Oh. Hey, you gotta do the small ones to stay.
Yeah, do the big one first.
Hey, do the big one.
Barry!
Let Remy open it. There. No.
No, it's really big.
Yes, it is.
A TV? Up for my room!
Wow.
Yeah.
And who's that from, Remy?
I don't know. It didn't have a name on it. I got a TV for my room.
Yeah. Look, now it's two TVs. Yeah.
I think it's from Mommy and Daddy and
Yep.
Papa and Nana.
No, it's from Mom and Dad.
For me.
Sure.
For you.
Cool, huh?
Now I'm going to get the
Hold
heavy
on, hold on.
one.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not very exciting, but that's okay.
But it's all part of the game.
Alright.
You know what that is, Rim?
What?
That's what holds the TV up.
Just like,
Like what Mom's bedroom and Dad's bedroom?
Yeah.
So you can hang it up.
Thank you,
Alright.
guys. Thank you.
is that going in the bathroom? Yes.